Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In this puzzle page, in the Saturday edition, yes, February the 11th, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles. The Sudoku with 2 stars. The tech, no, it's a killer Sudoku. I've already solved, and two puzzles are left. The tectonic, in Dutch they call it cyberblock, and this one you are interested. Yeah, it's the binary puzzle number, I believe, number 5946. 5946, yeah. Let me zoom this out. Come on. 5946. All right. 5946. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. And now, yeah. Now we need to think. No. Between two O's comes an 1. Let me see. 3 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here or there. 3, 4. Here or there. Yeah. 4. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, we have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Between two ones comes an O. We have here 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have here 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. If I place number 5 there, Then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 5 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Then 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Think. I need to think. Not too long. Don't think too long. Let me compare them. No, this is not the same. Not the same. 101. Do we have 101 here? No. So I think to compare the columns then. Well, this one and that one. Yeah. Let me compare. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 5 0. So the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. 5 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O. Now we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this last row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Alright. Yeah, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Let me see. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Here. 1 2 3 4 5 ones, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. And now, let me see. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Compare again. Well, 3 3. Here we have also a 3. 1 2 3. Yeah. Let me see. Comparing the columns will be difficult. Only these two I can compare. We have 2 missing numbers in each column. Double 1. Do we have a double 1 here? No, it's not the same. Double O then. Here we have a double O. Here I can switch. No, not the same. Double O. Do we have more double O's here? No. How about this row? Double O here. Here we have a double O. Here, this is different. This row. And last row. Alright. So, Oh, oh, 1, 1, 1, 1, oh, oh, 1, 1, empty box, 1, 1, oh, 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 oh. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So do I start O's? 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So I need an extra one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Then here, I've just look for the columns will be difficult. So should be the rows. We have a double 1 here. Here we have a double 1. No, not the same. Here we have a double 1, but it's not the same. How about double O, double 1? Double O, double 1? No. Uh-huh. This row. And the last row. Yeah. Alright. Oh, 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 1, 1, 1, 1, oh, oh, 1, 1, oh, oh, 1, 1, empty box, empty box. We need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O here, this should be a 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Yes, correct. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.